Hi friends! Today we're going to read this book that's about different kinds of seeds. It's called Fruits and Seeds. Now, fruits come from plants. We have to grow them. We can't just buy them from the store. The store gets them from someone who grew them. So we're going to learn how they grow. What juicy fruit has firm white flesh and a 5-pointed star? So these are the seeds inside of a fruit. Let's take a guess. Does anyone know what fruit that is? This is what happens when you cut the fruit, and that's what it looks like inside. It's an apple. When you cut an apple in half, you can see its star. And apple seeds sit in 5 openings. They make a star in the apple's core, and the core is the inside of the apple. Outside the core is the sweet, juicy part of the apple. That's the part that animals and people like to eat. What fruit has wings that spin in the air? So this is a different kind of seed. It looks a little different than the apple seed. The flat, curved fruit of the maple tree has 2 wings. The wings are joined in the middle, so these are the 2 wings, and they're stuck together in the middle. When the fruit is ripe, it falls from the tree and spins to the ground. Inside each wing is a seed. The moist earth, the wings rot, and the seeds sprout. A new maple tree may grow from each seed. So these fruit we don't eat. They have seeds inside, and they go to the ground and they start new trees. A mighty tree could grow from this tiny fruit. Let's see what it is. Acorns are the fruits of oak trees. One oak tree may have 50,000 acorns, so that's a lot of acorns. And if an acorn falls on soft earth, the seed inside may grow into a new oak tree. And this is another kind of fruit or seed that we don't eat. This is not a fruit you would want to eat. Another one. Cones are the fruit of evergreen trees. These are the cones of a hemlock tree. The cones have seeds some birds like to eat. So we don't eat these pine cones, but some birds like to eat them. This seed looks like a fluffy parachute. It comes from a plant with milky sap. A milkweed fruit is called a pod. When the pod splits open, silky fluff bursts out. Seeds are attached to the fluff. Okay, see, it's fluffy and it has little seeds on it. The fluff carries seeds like parachutes. When the wind blows, that's how the milkweed seeds travel to new places. This plant has ears, but it cannot hear. Does anyone know what this plant is? We have this food a lot. It's cool. Does anybody know what it is? It's corn. Corn has seeds too. So this is called an ear of corn. When you have one big corn, it's called an ear, just like our ear. This kind of ear is the fruit of a corn plant. The ear is wrapped up in a grassy husk. So around it, the green part, we don't eat that part. That's called the husk. Peel away the husk to find rows of soft, sweet kernels. The kernels are the seeds of the fruit. So when we eat corn, we're eating seeds, but they're yummy seeds. What fruit is named for a bird that cannot fly? I I don't know. Kiwis are birds that cannot fly. They're also this yummy fruit. They are round and a little fuzzy. Kiwi fruit is also round and fuzzy. Kiwi fruits have a small black seed and a pale green flesh. So let's look at this picture. You see all the little black dots? Those are the seeds. Be careful not to get a kiwi fruit and a kiwi bird mixed up. So those are all the different kinds of seeds we learned about. Now, some seeds we can eat, like corn and like kiwi seeds. Some we don't eat, like pine cones. Okay? But all of these kinds of seeds, if you put them in the ground, they make a new plant.